Over the last few years, Express Employment Professionals has put over 1 million people to work, and we're on a mission to help 1 million more. Now that you've been called in for an interview, how do you prepare? What should you wear? What should you bring? These are just some of the questions our applicants have, and we have the answers.
Before your interview, we need to make sure you are who you say you are and that you have the proper documentation. So ask your Express representative before your interview about the necessary documents to bring. You will also want to bring proof of work eligibility, business and coworker references with current contact info, and your work history or resume, as well as anything else you feel is specifically relevant to the job you're applying for.
On the day of your interview, you should dress in work-appropriate attire. The good tip is to dress as you would for a job interview at any company. Clean, professional, and ready to work. You should also plan on arriving about 15 minutes early. And make sure you bring all the items that we discussed previously. References, resume, and proof of work eligibility.
When you interview with Express, you're interviewing with one of our Express representatives. Treat it like a real job interview because it is one. In fact, when you interview with Express, you're actually interviewing for all potential jobs in our client database that match your criteria and skill set, as well as any other future position that may come available. During your interview, we'll discuss job history, education, references, preferences, likes and dislikes, and what you're passionate about. Depending on the job, we may also ask you to complete a skill assessment, so we can go from interviewing to working as quickly as possible.
And as an applicant, Express never charges a fee, no matter what. So finding a job through Express is absolutely free.
To help you come to your interview a little better prepared, here are some quick tips. First, learn more about Express at expresspros.com. Then, check out the Moving On Up Career Advice blog where you'll learn everything from interview attire to resume tips to top jobs and more. Finally, think of any questions you'd like to ask or some points you'd like to bring up during your interview. Remember, this is a real interview, but we're also here to help you and guide you in the right direction, coach you on interviewing techniques, and help you find a job.
Express is on a mission to put people to work. When you interview with Express, you're potentially interviewing for many positions. So remember to relax and be yourself. The interview is all about learning about you and finding the best fit. For more helpful information, watch our other videos or go to expresspros.com. And as always, if you have further questions, we're here to help.